Hello, today I'm in Citroen C4. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. Let's start with the left side of the steering wheel. Right here you've got the panel thanks to which you can enable speed limiter, cruise control, and you can manage those functions. Thanks to this panel you can turn off the screen display and turn it on. This button allows you to change mode displayed on the screen display between media, dials, photos and navigation. And this button allows you to enable parking maneuver. Let's go to the right side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this button you can change radio station, increase and decrease volume, mute the radio, or search checklist of radio stations. Thanks to this button you can change radio source, manually select radio station, and enter phone settings. And that's it. Also, if you press right here, you'll use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.